Hi guys, we're gonna solve again this problem, okay? This time, what if we're gonna use a vertical strip, okay? So, kanina, if you can still recall, okay? Before ka mag-decide kung anong strip yung gagamitin, whether it is vertical or horizontal strip, okay? Tingnan mo muna, okay? So, tandaan nyo lang lagi, okay? Before ka mag-decide, dapat investigate mo muna or check mo muna kung may continuity ba yung strip mo, okay? So, kumbaga, dapat hindi siya maputol, okay? So, kanina, ginamit natin horizontal strip. Sir, why? Because, tandaan nyo lang po, yung integral calculus na to, okay? Kapag mag-decide ka kung anong strip, okay? For example, ito siya, okay? Yung reading po ng calculus na yan or ng integral na to, okay? Chachap-chapin niya po yan ng pinong-pino, okay? From here up to here. Kung baga, tatadtadin niyo po yan, okay? Pinong-pino, okay? Then, isa-sum up niya lahat, okay? I-add up niya lahat. Now, kung ma-notice niyo po, okay? Yung strip mo, yung right end niya is nakapatong sa line. Okay? How about the left end? Nakapatong po siya sa parabola. Okay? So, yung strip na to, actually, dito po yung nanggaling. Okay? So, what if dito siya nagsimula? Okay? Kung gagawa ka ng strip dito sa bottom, okay? Wherein, actually, ito din po yan. Okay? So, yung right end niya, sa line pa rin. Yung left hand niya, sa parabola pa rin. So, kumbaga, walang pinagkaiba, okay? Hindi siya naputol, hindi siya nagbago, okay? So, mula sa point of intersection, sa unang point of intersection, up to the second point of intersection. Yan po yung strip mo. Hindi siya nag-iba. Now, ano yung mangyayari kapag gumamit ka ng vertical strip, okay? So, let's say, gawa tayo ng vertical strip instead of horizontal, okay? So, now, dahil yung strip mo na yan, okay, is vertical, yung thickness po niyan is dx. Okay? Ito siya. Ito po si dx. Now, dahil yung thickness mo dx, okay, malamang yung height niyan is what? Of course, this is along y-axis. So, that is y. Okay? So, bakit dx? Kasi nga, yung thickness mo is along x. Kaya nga, dx. Kumbaga, mag-i-integrate tayo along the x-axis. Okay? So, now, yung strip po na yan, magsisimula yan dito sa point na to. Okay? So, chachap-chapin niya, pinong, up to this point. Okay? Ito po yung pinaka leftmost niya. Ito po yung pinaka rightmost niya. Okay? So, kanina, ito po yung pinaka bottom niya. Ito po yung pinaka top niya. Now, makinig. Kung dito ka magsimula, what can you notice? Makinig. Kung gumawa ka ng strip dito, what can you notice? Yung mangyayari, yung top ng strip mo, nakapatong dun sa parabola. Yung bottom ng strip mo, nakapatong pa rin sa parabola. So, bawal po yun. Kasi nga, magka-cancel out silang dalawa. This is the y of the parabola minus the y of the parabola. Okay, magka-cancel out sila. Okay? So, bawal. Okay? So, gawin mo, Okay? Gawin mo, ganito. Gumawa ka lang ng strip na vertical, tapos hanggang dito ka lang, okay, sa point kung saan, mako-connect mo yung dalawang curve, okay? The line and the curve. Now, kumbaga, you're gonna integrate only from here up to here, okay? So, because you are moving along the x-axis, okay, you need to define your limits, okay? Yung point of intersection na to, this is simply what? Yung point of intersection na to, this is simply the 4 and the negative 4, okay? So, this is 4 and negative 4, okay? So, how about this one? Yung point of intersection na to, okay, yung coordinates niyan is 9 and 6, okay? So, kumbaga, pag mag-integrate ka along x-axis, okay, kapag naka-dx yung strip mo, okay, wala kang pake sa value ng y, okay? So, kumbaga, sa point of intersection mo, yung gagamitin mo lang dyan is yung x mo. Ito yung magiging limit mo, okay? So, you're gonna integrate from 4 up to 9, okay? So, dito ka lang magsimula sa 4 hanggang sa 9, okay? So, now, how about this one, sir? Yung matitira, okay? So, gawin mo ganito, okay? Gawin natin itong area 2, okay? Ito naman, gawin natin itong area 1, okay? So, yung area 1 na yan, of course, hindi naman natin alam. We don't know the equation of this figure, okay? So, gawin mo, gamitan mo siya ng calculus, okay? dA is just simply what? Okay? Again, guys, tandaan niyo lang palagi, okay? Hindi ka po dyan gumawa ng strip para sa wala lang, okay? So, I know a lot, wherein, drawing lang sila dyan, but hindi nila alam kung para saan yan. The purpose of making this strip is because, okay, dito mo i-base yung analysis mo, okay? Yung strip po na yan, that represents to your differential area, wherein yung height niya is y, tsaka yung thickness niya is dx. So, therefore, parang rectangle na rin yan, okay? Dahil sa sobrang nipis niyan. This is infinitesimally small actually. So, y dx, okay? Now, makinig. Ano kaya yung y na yan? Okay? Tandaan. Yung upper end ng strip, nakapatong ba yan sa parabola? Yes, okay? So, kumbaga, mula sa x-axis, papunta sa point na yan, mula dito punta dyan, yan po yung y ng parabola. Okay? Now, how about its bottom end? Okay? From the x-axis, papunta dyan, nakapatong ba yung end ng strip na yan sa line? Yes, okay? So, in short, yan po yung y ng line. Okay? So, now, makinig. Kung eto, yung y ng parabola, tsaka eto yung y ng line, ano ito? Tama ba na yung y na yan is just simply the difference between the y of the parabola minus the y of the line? Yes, okay? So therefore guys, yung y na yan, okay, is simply the y of the parabola minus the y of the line. Or simply, okay, sometimes I'll call this one as the y upper minus the y lower. Y upper minus the y lower, okay? So now, makinig. Ano yung y ng parabola? Okay? Tingnan mo ito. Y squared is equal to 4x. Okay? So pag nilaro mo ito, tama lang ba na yung value ng y mo, okay, is just the square root of 4x? Okay, now, yung value ng y na yan, which is square root of 4x, yan po yung salpak mo dito. Okay? So tandaan nyo lang po lagi, wag na wag kang mag-integrate kapag more than 1 pa yung variable mo dito. So kung naka-dx ka, dapat lahat ng variables dito is in terms of x. Okay? So now, ito po yung para sa parabola. How about the y of the line? The y of the line, tingnan mo ito. 2x minus y is equal to 12. Actually, dinerive na po natin yan. We need to express y in terms of x. Okay? So, ito ba yun? Yes. Y therefore is simply 2x minus 12. Okay? So, all of this are in terms of x. So, substituting, this is simply 2x minus 12. Okay? dx. Now, ito ngayon yung tanong. Sir, what are the limits? Okay? Tingnan mo lang. Again, tingnan mo kung saan, hanggang saan continuous yung strip. Okay? So, dito po, sa point na to, nakapatong pa siya sa line, tsaka sa parabola. Okay? So, mula sa point na to, okay yan, yung equation mo na to. Okay? So, dito ka, from x is equal to 4 to x is equal to 9. Okay? Because you are integrating along x. Naka-dx ka. Okay? So, from 4 up to 9. Okay? So, from 4 up to 9. Now, ano kaya yung value ng area mo na yan? Actually, yan po yung area 1 mo, okay? Yung area 1 mo is just simply what? The integral of square root of 4x minus 2x minus 12 from 4 to 9. From 4 to 9. This is what? This is simply 61 over 3. Now, area 1 pa lang yan. Para pa lang yan dito. Okay? So, makinig. Ano kaya yan? Yung area 2 na yan. Okay? So, kung notice mo guys, okay? That is just simply a parabolic segment. Okay? Wherein, okay? At this point guys, nag-meet sila at 4 and negative 4. Kung baga, mula sa x-axis, papunta sa point na to, yan po is 4. Kung baga, 4 ito. So, malamang, magmi-mirror lang dun yun sa taas. So, kung 4 yan, 4 din ito. Okay? So, now, ano kaya yung 4 na yan? Yung value ng x na yan? Guys, tama lang ba na yan po yung distance mula sa origin papunta dito, along the x? Yes. Okay? So, kumbaga, this is just a parabolic segment wherein yung base niya, okay, pag binaliktad mo ito, yung base niya is what? Okay? 4 plus 4, what's that? That is 8. Now, how about the height? Yung height niyan is simply 4. Okay? So guys, yung area 2 mo therefore, please take note of this. The area of a parabolic segment is just simply 2/3 the base times the height. So area 2 is simply 2/3 times 8 times 4. What's that? 2/3 times 8 times 4. That is simply 64 over 3. Ito po yung area 2 mo. Now, if you're looking for the value of the total area bounded by this curve, the line of the parabola, okay, i-add mo lang area 1 plus area 2. Ano po yun siya? Area 1 is simply 61 over 3. 61 over 3 plus 64 over 3. 61 plus 64, that is simply 125. 125 over 3. Yan po yung area under the curve. Now, tama lang ba? Okay, this is the area na nakuha natin using vertical strip. Now, what if compare natin dun sa area using horizontal strip? 125 over 3, 125 over 3. So, same lang yung sagot. So, it's up to you na lang kung ano yung gagamitin mong technique. But please take note ng lagi na dapat may continuity yung strip. Okay? So, that's all. Thank you. Yes.